Hey, what's up, 360 electricians? Now, you guys know I've been pushing Jobber for about 2 years now. That's right. I know a lot of people are getting on the bandwagon now, and I'm absolutely thrilled because Jobber is one of the best field softwares out there to help you go from 0 to 360. Now, you know, if you use my links at the end of this video or even now, and you sign up for Jobber's free trial, that's a credit card free trial. You don't have to put a credit card down. You're gonna get 14 days. Then, if you do decide to sign up, you're gonna get 20% off for your first 6 months, so I encourage you to do it. But now everybody's kind of offering that, but here's what I'm offering you that's on top that nobody else is. You're gonna come back and join me for all things Jobber, a live webinar where we're talking about the best tips and tricks and practices. What do I mean by that? Hey, do you have your terms and conditions in Jobber right now or in your field software? If you don't, we're gonna talk about those and some of the best practices of what you should have and maybe some of the things you shouldn't have, especially if you're in California like me, where you better have everything, right? Those are the things we're gonna talk about. But in this video, let's really talk about the things that Jobber does for me every single day to not only own the trains, but run the trains if I need to get in and find out what's going on in my business. So let's take a look and open up Jobber and talk about these 3 most important things you need to know. Let's go. Okay, first and foremost, the first thing I do normally as a business owner, now this is me having Jobber for a long time, and I have the crews working. It's already populated. This is not a 101 video. This is just some of the things that I use Jobber for. And the first and foremost is I've got 2 businesses in 2 states and my own personal schedule within those businesses. So I use scheduling. Over here, we can see if we go to scheduling, what we're looking at is the teams and where they are, where they're going, who the customer is, and what we're doing on those job sites. So if I ever want to know what my team is doing, all I got to do is click here, and then I can see the schedule and know where everybody is. If I need to trump the schedule, what does that mean? I get a personal call from an AAA client, a top lister, one that pays, and I need to make some changes and call a client and shift them around so I can get that A-team client prioritized. I do it right here, and when I do, bam, notification goes out to everybody on that team that the schedule has been changed. Amazing. The best thing about field software is invoicing, collecting money. Now, if you've been in the 360 Electricians Contractor Playbook, you know that in session number 2 is cash flow, cash flow, cash flow. Because without money in the tank, yeah, rocket ship ain't going anywhere. And the way you're gonna get money in that tank fast is making sure your invoicing is front and center, easy to do, fast and efficient. Did you know that that's the #1 problem with contractors just starting out? Is they get so busy, they don't bill the smaller jobs. And if you don't bill the smaller jobs, you're not gonna have the bills to pay for the bigger jobs. So invoicing is super important. Now, if I come into Jobber, super simple. I've already got the client in there because of the work order or the job request. We went out there, we gave them a proposal, we did the work, and here you go. Click, 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 invoiced, done. They get the invoice, they can pay online through credit card, or if you're on the job site, you're doing this all through your tablet or your phone. Collecting and invoicing, absolutely important. Last but not least, one of the biggest things I love is a newer feature in Jobber, and here it is, the marketing tab. If you click that marketing tab, you're gonna be able to manage your clients based on different tags. Do you have maintenance contracts for your clients? If you don't, you better get into coaching with me or the 8-week course, because if you're an electrical contractor that's not getting maintenance contracts, devaluing your company. You're not worth as much as you think you're worth when it's time to exit or someone to purchase you. And I do that from day 1 through Jobber and my customer management. Here I can send out notices, I can send out emails, I can send out, hey, we have a special. Spring forward, fall back, battery changes on smoke detectors. If you want to do generators because fall is coming and you know you're going to sell them, and then in the spring you want to advertise solar, all that is done through customer management and marketing right here through Jobber. These are just a few of the ways on why I'm trying to sell you something. It's called an investment. Invest back in your time. When you got tools like this to do the work for you, it leaves you time like I have to go fishing, hunting, or do my great meet and greets or the 360 Electrician Social Media Awards at NECA, because I'm buying back my time by using Jobber. Don't forget, use my link, get that free trial, get that 20% off, and come and see me so we can do a webinar on all things Jobber. So get Jobber using my link, and we'll see you on the other side. The other side is owning the trains, not just running the trains.